So here you can see this timeline. Here I collected Google's account. I did a public collection of Google's Instagram account, and it's showing me a timeline, as you see on the upper part of the screenshot, of the posts during that time. And everything is broken down beneath that by information and the metadata of each post and when it was posted, when it was collected, all the comments or the captions of each picture. And then on the right side, as you can see, the picture I'm clicked on row 179, it will show that there's 5 attachments. That just means there's 5 pictures within that collection. So a post with multiple pictures within it. So the timeline is a great way to narrow things down. As you can see, this collection was done between September 10th and August 12th. That was the time frame I narrowed it down to when I did this collection. And you can see their activity within that time. And this is from a public collection, which we'll get to in a little bit.